What I'm going to give you here today is a secret that I came across. I'm going to show you a couple different items. The foam, that's this stuff back here. The foam board. This foam board comes in 4 by 8 feet. What I do is, let's just pretend this is 4 feet here and 8 feet this way. I cut this down to 7 foot so I can maneuver it around inside the house. The main secret of this video is the foam board. The key trick here is on this side. This side has like a plastic paper foam over the foam plastic paper here, as you can see. Now that stuff there, you leave that on. The trick is to take this stuff. This is the key here. This is the key. The 3M General Purpose 45. That spray. And you take your foam. These are small samples. Say you line them up like this. Just like I have back here now, right there's a fine example. Or you can do diamond shape. Line them up however you so desire. But the key is you shake this up good, follow directions, and spray that over here. And let that lay whatever the instructions tell you. If my memory's right, 30 seconds. And spray this here plastic paper here. This is what makes it stick. Spray that on there. Place this on here, line them up. I put little marks on there where I'm going to line them so I get them somewhat neat. But as you can see, and these stick forever. Now this one here, that's been on there probably, I'm going to say 2 years. Now I have another sample back there that's been 4 or 5 years maybe, a good 4 years, maybe 5 years, and they're still sticking quite well. So the point is, it works quite well. And then you can take them, move these things around, which I already showed you how to do that. They're portable. You're not confined to one setting. And also, you just can change. They're interchangeable. Move wherever you want to move them to. Come on now. Right there. See that? This is 6 feet, I think this is. Then you can adjust them up, down, sideways like this. Now, I got these. When I bought these were 2-foot squares, which I don't know if you can get them 2 foot anymore. 2 foot. This way is 2 feet, that way, and I think they're considered to be 2 inches. So what you can see here, this has been on here at least 4 years, maybe 5. But they stick on there forever. I mean, they're very durable. They're light. You can move this stuff around accordingly. It's a insulation foam board. This one here happens to be, I would say that's 3/4 thick. So you can see that's 3/4 thick. And these things stick on there forever. I mean, and they're very easy to move around as long as you have the room on your roof up here on the top. You know, you got to move them around. You got to watch if you're close to your ceiling. But the thing is, there you go. And you can pretty much set your background up accordingly. It's not permanent, which you can leave it there, and it's very easy to maneuver around, is the point. So what you got is 3M45 general purpose. Now I'm sitting this on the table because I'm a little bit shaky. I'm getting up there in age, you know. And what else I got? Let's see, what else do I have that I wanted to show you in this video? I get too many best secrets at one time. It might get overwhelming for you and you might forget something. So I'm going to leave it go at that. And set this on the slider if you don't. Look, I'm holding that with one arm. I do have another one of these that's 4 feet. It goes this way. Yeah, 4 feet and 6 feet high. And that one looks like this here, because I got 1, 2, 3, 6, 9. I actually got 12 of these in a pack. Now these also come in variations of 12, 24, I think maybe 12, 24, 48. You can get all you want. And they're a reasonable price. And maybe sometime I'll show you what they look like when they do come. You got to unpack them and let them kind of unravel. They recommend you let them sit for a day to unravel and all that. You'll see that when you go. Just go to my link on the in the description and read about these foam pieces. And it makes a wonderful background. It covers up all the other stuff. Which I got another background here, what I'm working on. I can take this, remove this somewhere. See, this is my 4-foot piece. 4 foot this way, and then I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 6. These are 1 foot squares, so I got, and 4 down. That's a 4 by 6. And this stuff sticks. It stays forever. Wherever you get that sticky stuff on, it'll stay forever. Now, if you miss a spot like I did here, look, it pulls away, but it stays. I mean, it's glued well enough that it stays in place for years. I found before I tried to put this stuff up, you get these sticky things and stuff and then they fall off. This is the best. Don't get any better than this. And what I do is set this up. Oh, here I wanted to show you my other background here. Can you see that? Clark. I seen a video of Clark Kegley years ago. He did a video and he had one of these the first time I ever saw it. And I said, hey, I like that. So I looked around, got me one. It's beautifully designed. And they got so many of those designs. I mean, you just can't go wrong with them. So that's the way that is. And while I was up there talking, you might have not been able to hear me, but we'll cover that. If you can't hear it, probably didn't mean nothing anyway. The point is, I wanted to show you my trick here. My top secret stuff. Top secret. Good to go. Okay, better than that. And I'll see you on the next video. Be sure to come back. Be sure to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, please. If you watch this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up at least. I don't care if you subscribe or not, but pass the word along.